Our next step is to get from you your documents as indicated in the invitation letter. If you have them as a bundle, you will give to the clerk after I mention them. They will check your copies that you leave with us against your originals, which you may be at liberty to take back after the meeting. You have your compliance with tax obligations from KRA?
Yes.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Use the microphone, please.
I do.
Clearance with the Higher Education Loans Board?
Yes, I do, Chair.
Clearance with the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission?
Yes, I do.
Certificate of Good Conduct?
I have one.
From the DCI?
Yes, I have one.
Very good. Your national ID?
I do have the original with me.
Your academic certificates?
Yes, they are there, Chair.
Okay, that gracious lady will have them and compare your copies with the originals. Where there's a deficiency, she will report here and we will advise you.
The only deficiency is that I could not trace my original certificate, University of Nairobi, but I have a letter from the university dated October 12, certifying that degree.
I am also a witness that you went to the University of Nairobi.
Thank you,
You are
Chair.
2 years behind me.
Yes, I thought it was 1 year.
1 year behind me.
Or thereabout.
And you duly graduated and practiced law with me in the corridors of the High Courts.
Thank you, Chair. I still hold the current practicing certificate and have put one here.
Excellent. I don't think any member has any issue with that. The next question to you, Honorable Alice. Are you a dual citizen of any country?